Hi, my name is Superb Bird of Paradise, but my friends call me Superb, and I'm getting ready to find a mate.
When I was a young lad, my father taught me this dance. This dance is my strategy to secure and find a mate, and I've been practicing my whole life. I also like to prepare by thoroughly cleaning my house and really, prep the stage for the amazing performance that I'm about to do tonight in order to secure my future lover.
So now that I have my area all prepped and cleaned, I can, she's here. All right, I'm so glad you can make it with me tonight. Yeah. Let me pull out your chair for you.
Thank you.
There you go. So, how are you tonight?
I'm okay. You?
I'm great. I'm great now that you're here.
Really?
I have something to show you.
What do you want to show me?
I've been working long and hard on this performance for you. So what do you think?
So that was amazing. I loved it.
So all my hard work paid off. I scored my lady, and we're gonna live happily ever after for the rest of our lives.
Until I find the next one.
What?
Little did Superb know, because there's very few females in our species, I will go on to leave Superb and find many other mates in my lifetime.